Wow, it's warm. I've had to open the doors and have the max air fan on for a little while, which has brought it back down to 22.9. Just can't win, can you, this year? You don't know what the heck's going on. Last week was freezing cold and rain, and this week it's blinking heat wave today. Anyway, I'm going to crack on. Jobs to do. So sand everything back, take all the ironwork off, get the case off the max air fan, probably move the curtain out of the way for now, get the baskets down, take some of the doors off, or most of the doors off, and finally get rid of the flooring. In fact, I might do that first because it's out of the way then.
Like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't even answer.
I'll have to go over that at some point.
Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder. Everything we feel will go away. You said it's a problem. I said that I got that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness is running low.
Some more. Just done a whole bit to camera, didn't press record. Right, okay, so floors all sanded, doors off for the lower half. I've still got to take the doors off for the higher doors. This is all sanded and a bit of caulk around the top, ready for some undercoat. I'll put some undercoat on the back of there as well. Ceiling done, ready. Another coat of undercoat. I might just go over the pencil lines over there. Job's a good one. Right, okay. So all the doors bar the control panel are off, and I think I shall paint this in situ. I shall paint around the frame. I'll undercoat now, all the framework.
What colour?
Mum's picked.
Light green today?
No, not light green today. Maybe light green later, depends.
What colour your t-shirt?
Purple.
Terrific.
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 Terrific. I don't know what time it is. I think England are playing tonight. I haven't even got my phone to find out. But I've got all the shower front done again. I've actually got the stairs done, and the fronts and the cupboard reveals. A couple of drips. There we go. It is only just undercoat, so I've got halfway across the cupboards. I'll finish them off now. What time is it, Maximus?
What time is it?
It's 1857.
Oh, 1857. Are England playing tonight? Siri will tell me. Oh, I've had enough. Everywhere that needs undercoat has undercoat. I finished off. I re-undercoated all the end there after I'd given it a good clean. And down the bottoms. All the stairwell and round the doors. Around the back of the driver's seat. It's got some undercoat. I'll probably paint this grey. And then all the reveal in there is now undercoated. All that's undercoated. Put a quick cover over there just to try and cover the pencil lines in. And this is ready for some paint. Warm one today again. Another sunny afternoon. Gonna get some paint on. It's quite warm in here today. Just a bit. Anyway, as you can imagine, painting is painting, and it's just painting. You don't need to watch me do it, I don't think. But I'm coming along nicely. That front and round there is finished. I've got a coat on the steps. I'm getting back up to the bed here, and the kitchen's pretty much finished now. Just needs a good clean, and it's sealant running. Oh, need to do that. Anyway, I'll carry on with painting. Wow, that turned into a mammoth task. I feel like I've been painting for, I don't know, 7-8 hours straight, and that's pretty much because I have. But everywhere that is having the natural twine now has a coat of the natural twine. Well, in fact, it all has 2 coats. So that's the natural twine finished, really. I'm going to be picking out some details in the green. And we think this section here is going green. But pretty much everywhere that's having natural twine. Oh gosh, don't dare sit down. It's got 2 coats. And the boss has said he wants the green doing tomorrow. I said we'll see. I started painting the green. The green we got was English sage, and it's a bit lighter than we first thought, so it's nice, but it's light compared to the twine. What I've done is I've mixed some black in with it. It's definitely darker. This looks more sage than it did before. It's definitely taken that spearmint edge off it. Little painting station set up for today. Got most of the inner green done last night. Need some undercoat on these doors still, so get them undercoated. The undercoat dries off really quick. Get everything undercoated, and then some green on. Right, the day's awful, but hopefully we'll be able to move on to the next phase of the painting project. Oh, come on then.
I'm not overly fussed on it. Looks like spearmint.
It looked like spearmint to start off with. I've made it darker.
I don't like it. I'm gonna have to get something else.
There we go. That's it. All that work. And she doesn't like it. See you next time. Right, we've been to B&Q and we've got some different colour Eden Berry paint now. We were playing with some paint colours and we've got this, so I'm going to put it on the door and we're going to see if this one's acceptable.
It's nice. Do you like it?
It's green.